Let's see how to embed YouTube videos in Wix. Embedding YouTube videos in Wix allows you to enhance your website with engaging video content. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to add a video, specifically YouTube video, to your Wix site. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix Editor and open the page where you want to embed the video, and then click Design Your Website. Click on the plus or add button on the left-hand menu that is labeled as Add Elements. From the options, select Video and Music, and then choose YouTube Video. Drag it onto your panel. A placeholder video will appear on your page. Next, on the video element, click or select Change Video. A settings panel will open, allowing you to paste the URL of a YouTube video you wanted to embed. After pasting the link, click Apply to update the video. You can resize and reposition the video as needed to fit in your design. And that's it. That's how you embed YouTube videos in Wix. See you soon.